Just wanted to give an update. I'm super stoked and super thankful. I've been cleared to ride and race again by the docs.
Well, there it is. Cooper Webb says he's in for all 11 outdoor rounds. After pretty much everyone else said, no, we're going World Supercross. He's going to compete in the motocross, try and get that championship. And if you're a fan of racing, this is good because any big name guy, factory rider, you want them out competing. You want them, all of them competing at one point. And it's nice to see that, one, he's going to be out there racing all summer long. He's not skipping it like a lot of other people. And two, that he's healthy to do it. Instead of the, whatever it was, 8 weeks that he was supposed to be out and missing the first couple rounds of motocross, having the doctors okay to get on the bike, train, and make the first round Paula. It's going to be cool. I hope he does well. I hope he's competitive and a championship title holder, or not holder, but contender. But we'll see. In the comments below, you tell me, how well do you think he's going to do? Who do you think is going to win the championship? Whatever you want, just comment down below. As you're down there, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do. Really does help me out. Appreciate it. And if you want to see the rest of his post, it's at the very end. You can watch the whole thing. With that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.
Just wanted to give an update. I'm super stoked and super thankful. I've been cleared to ride and race again by the docs. Last week was the final test. We went in and got a bunch of tests done and scans, and everything came back clear, and I was cleared to start riding. So I was able to ride Friday, and then we've been back at it this week. So I'm stoked to be able to say I'm going racing this summer, and can't wait to see all the fans there, and be sure to cheer me on, and we'll see what we got. Just wanted